No followers needed. Top strategies for online income. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, how to make money online with absolutely zero followers. That's right, you don't need a huge social media presence to start earning an income online. Whether you're looking to turn your skills into cash, sell products, or even just earn a little extra on the side, I've got you covered. Stick around as we break down each method, give you practical tips, and show you exactly how to get started. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a pathway to earn commissions by promoting products or services through personalized referral links. With zero followers, you can start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. Create valuable content such as blog posts, reviews, or social media posts that incorporate these affiliate links. Focus on providing genuine recommendations and solutions to potential buyers' needs or problems. Utilize platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or specialized affiliate programs relevant to your chosen niche. As traffic grows through SEO efforts, paid advertising, or social media engagement, your earning potential increases based on the number of sales generated through your links. Number 2. Freelancing. Freelancing allows you to monetize your skills and expertise without needing a large following. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Start by creating a compelling profile that highlights your experience, skills, and portfolio. Bid on projects that match your abilities and deliver high-quality work to build a positive reputation. Over time, satisfied clients can lead to repeat business and referrals, gradually increasing your income. Networking within freelancing communities and utilizing job boards can also help you find new opportunities. With persistence and dedication, freelancing can become a sustainable source of income, regardless of your initial follower count. Number 3. Selling products. Selling products online is a viable way to earn money, even without a substantial following. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon provide marketplaces where you can list and sell a wide range of items. Start by identifying a niche or products that align with your interests or expertise. Create appealing listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality photos, and competitive pricing. Optimize your listings for search within the platform to attract potential buyers. Utilize social media, forums, or online communities related to your product niche to drive initial traffic. As sales grow, reinvest profits into expanding your product offerings or improving marketing efforts. With consistency and strategic selling, you can build a profitable online business regardless of your follower count. Number 4. Stock photography or art. Monetizing your photography or artwork through stock photo and art platforms is a viable option with zero followers. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy provide marketplaces where you can upload and sell your creative work to a global audience. Start by creating a portfolio of high-quality images or artwork that meets the platform's guidelines and market demands. Use descriptive titles, tags, and keywords to optimize visibility and attract potential buyers searching for specific types of content. Regularly upload new pieces to keep your portfolio fresh and increase your chances of generating sales. Engage with the community by participating in forums or groups related to photography or art to gain insights and improve your skills. With persistence and dedication to producing quality work, you can earn passive income through royalties each time your content is licensed or sold. Number 5. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants allows you to offer administrative, creative, or technical support services remotely, making it feasible to earn income without a large following. Start by identifying your skills, such as customer service, email management, social media management, or graphic design. Create a professional profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork or specialized virtual assistant websites. Highlight your expertise, experience, and availability to attract clients seeking reliable assistance. Tailor your services to meet specific client needs and communicate effectively to build trust and long-term relationships. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and attract more clients, regardless of your initial follower count. Number 6, online surveys and market research. Engaging in online surveys and market research can provide a source of income without needing a substantial following. Various platforms like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Pinecone Research offer opportunities to earn rewards or cash by sharing your opinions on products, services, or brands. Begin by signing up with reputable survey websites and completing your profile to receive relevant survey invitations. Dedicate consistent time to participate in surveys, focus groups, or product testing sessions to accumulate earnings. Some platforms also offer additional incentives like sweepstakes entries or bonuses for frequent participation. While individual earnings per survey may vary, staying active and responsive can gradually increase your earnings over time, making it a flexible way to earn money irrespective of your follower count. Number 7, online courses or ebooks. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks is a viable way to generate income without needing a large following. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish educational content on various topics. Start by identifying a niche where you have expertise or passion. Develop high-quality course materials or ebooks that provide value and solve problems for your target audience. Utilize effective marketing strategies such as social media promotion, email lists, or collaborations with influencers to reach potential buyers. Continuously update and optimize your content based on feedback to enhance its value and attract more sales over time. Number 8, renting out assets. Renting out assets is a practical way to earn money with zero followers. Platforms like Airbnb for properties, Turo for vehicles, or Fat Llama for various items facilitate renting out physical assets to a wide audience. Start by listing your available assets with detailed descriptions, attractive photos, and competitive pricing. Utilize platform tools to manage bookings, payments, and communication with renters efficiently. Provide excellent customer service and maintain your assets in good condition to garner positive reviews and attract repeat customers. Use social media or personal networks to initially promote your listings and build credibility. As bookings increase, reinvest earnings into improving or expanding your rental offerings. With careful management and responsiveness, renting out assets can provide a reliable source of income regardless of your initial follower count. Number 9, online tutoring. Online tutoring is a lucrative option to earn income without relying on a large following. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Wyzant connect tutors with students seeking academic help or skill development. Start by identifying your expertise in subjects like languages, STEM fields, or test preparation. Create a compelling profile highlighting your qualifications, teaching style, and availability. Set competitive rates based on your experience and the market demand. Utilize platform features to schedule sessions, communicate with students, and receive payments securely. Provide personalized tutoring sessions, tailored to each student's needs, to build positive reviews and attract more clients. Utilize social media or educational forums to showcase your expertise and attract initial clients. With consistent effort and effective tutoring strategies, online tutoring can become a rewarding source of income regardless of your follower count. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to making money online without needing a single follower. Remember, it's all about leveraging your skills, finding the right platforms, and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay inspired. Bye for now.